Okay guys, so I've been working a bit without filming, and I'll show you some of the progress. I've painted the seal and it looks alright, and I've also sanded down the lower part of the bulkhead because there was some rust. I put some body filler on, sanded it down, and then painted it with primer. So we're just waiting for that. Some rust converter on the spots where the door seal will go. But I've also been working on the B-pillar itself. So I've put some new hinges on. I've moved all the sensors, like the door sensor and also the door striker from the old one, and the old one is there. So I've just moved everything, put new hinges on top and bottom, and I've also modified the bottom a bit so I can actually put it in with the sill in place, because it's supposed to be put in place in one piece. But I cut away 2 small parts on the bottom, and now I can actually fit it. So I'm actually ready to fit the B-pillar to the car. So just watch me do that. And that's basically it. So now all I have to do, I'm standing in the light. All I have to do now is put all the bolts back up top as well, then connect the wiring again, and put the doors back on. That was quite an easy job basically. So let's put all the bolts back in and prepare it to take the doors again. So that's the back door installed again. And it's looking very pretty, but that's another video. And it opens and closes as it's supposed to. Perfect. Now we'll just have to wait for the front part, for the primer to dry overnight, and then I can actually paint the bulkhead part, and then we can put the front passenger door on as well. Let's not forget the sill. But yeah, lots of progress made, and this went much faster than I expected. So I'm really happy with the result. Color matches up perfectly. All the hinges are also painted the same color, so yeah, it's looking really nice, and I'm really happy to not have a giant brown gaping hole there anymore. So we'll come back tomorrow and finish the job. So guys, as you can see, the car is now out of the garage. I didn't film too much on painting and installing the door. There's not so much to show there basically. But let's just go through the end result and see what it looks like. So as you can see, the whole B-pillar has been replaced, and there's no more big gaping hole there, and the hinge is actually attached to something. There's still some rust that has been running from water and stuff, but I'll have to clean that up. And yeah, as you can see, the paint on the whole car is quite worn, but I don't care about that. It's all good now. And it actually passed the MOT today. So earlier on today I was at the inspection, and it's passed for the first time since 2015. So it's been 5 years, almost 6 years, because it was January 2015. So 6 years ago that it passed the yearly inspection for the last time. So it's been off the road for quite a long time now. I'm really happy that it passed, and I don't have to go back to fix anything. So now it is totally road legal, and I'm just really glad I can now go and drive it in the forest and stuff and get it all dirty and nice. So yeah, I really hope you liked this video. Please ask any questions in the comments below, and if you have any suggestions, please leave them as well. And we'll see you in the next video.